Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now this is part 2 to my Christmas and winter word videos. So make sure to watch the first part if you haven't already and click subscribe and follow me over on Instagram if you can, because I would love to have you there. So we're going to follow on with some more words surrounding winter and Christmas, and I thought that we could start with holly. So holly is Cuileann. 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 And a mistletoe, Uil-ìoc. 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 And decorations, Loinnearan. 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 So if we were to say the word for card, that would be Cairt. So Christmas cards, Cairt na Nollaig. Cairt na Nollaig. Cairt na Nollaig. And the word for Jesus, Ìosa. 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 And the word for snow, if you're so lucky to have snow on Christmas, Sneachd. 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 And the word for snowman, Bodach-sneachda. 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 And I did see someone ask this in the comments, so the word for hot chocolate, Teòclaid. 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 Which I am drinking a lot of at the moment. I was never a hot chocolate girl, but I am here for it. This year I am here for it. So the word for cold is Fuar. 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 And the word for frosty, which it has been here at the moment, is Reòthte. 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 The word for gloves, which is a favourite word of mine actually, it's Miotagan. 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 And the word for scarf, Stoc. 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 And the word for hat, at. 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 And the word for jumper, I almost live in jumpers. Geansaidh. 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 I'm going to leave it there for now, so we will end on a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Nollaig Chridheil agus Bliadhna úr. Nollaig Chridheil agus Bliadhna úr. Nollaig Chridheil agus Bliadhna úr. I hope you have a wonderful festive period, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.